Hi, my dear kids. Welcome back to the English class. Dear children, in the previous class, I taught you the poem I Want to Fly. I Want to Fly. Have you understood, children? Have you learned that poem? Okay. Today, I will introduce another one lesson about again butterfly. Again butterfly. Okay. All of you look at here and listen here, children. Okay. Before I start the lesson, I want to show you some pictures. All of you look at here, children. Here, how many butterflies are there, children? There are three butterflies and there are some flowers like rose and sunflower and another flowers are there, and there is a raining. There is a raining. Yes or no, children? Yes. And then um, today I will start the lesson about butterfly, and there was three butterflies are there. There is three butterflies are there. Okay, there is something is going on. Okay, you will study what is that story. Dear children, today I start the lesson. That lesson name is Three Butterflies. Three Butterflies. What is the lesson name, children? Three Butterflies. Okay. Before I start the lesson, I want to introduce the new words of the lesson, children. All of you look at here and listen here and concentrate here, children. New meaning of the new words: wide. Wide means broad. Wide means broad. Shelter. Shelter means safe place. Shelter means safe place to protect from the sunshine or rain, children. Rather. Rather means prefer. Rather means prefer. Next, quickly. Quickly means fastly. Quickly means fastly. Next, usual. Usual means common. Usual means common. Petals. Petals means colorful pots of flowers. Petals means colorful pot of flowers. Next, last one, desert. Desert means to leave someone without helping. It means sandland also. It's another one meaning sandland also. To leave someone's without helping. Okay. Have you understood, children? Once I repeat it. Wide, broad. Shelter, safe place. Rather, prefer. Quickly, fastly. Usual, common. Petals, colorful pot of flowers. Desert, to leave someone without helping. Understood, children? Okay. Now I will introduce the opposite words according to the lesson. Okay. These words in the lesson, I gave you opposite words of the lesson. Opposite words: never, ever. Never, ever. Now, then. Now, then. Open, close. Open, close. Wet, dry. Wet, dry. Usual, unusual. Usual, unusual. Away, near. Away, near. Wide, narrow. Wide, narrow. Understood, children? Understood about opposite words according to the lesson? Okay. Now I will start the lesson. All of you listen here, children, with open your textbook. Okay. All of you open your textbook and listen and concentrate here, children. Okay. The three butterflies. What is the lesson name, children? The three butterflies. Okay. First I read the lesson. All of you listen here, children. There were once three butterflies, a pink one, a red one, and a yellow one. They played in the sunshine. Okay. And danced now on this flower, now on that, and never grew tired. One day it starting raining. and they got wet, so they flew over to a rose and said, "Good rose, please open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain. I had be glad to shelter you, pink butterfly," said the rose, "for you look like me, but I won't shelter your two friends." Okay, I explain also this stanzas. Listen here, children. Lesson number 1, unit 1, lesson number 1. There were, the lesson name is The Three Butterflies. There were once three butterflies, a pink one, a red one, and a yellow one. They played in the sunshine. Understood, children? There were once three butterflies. How many butterflies are there? Three butterflies. That butterflies are, first one pink one butterfly, next one red one butterfly, another one yellow one butterfly. Okay, they played in the sunshine. Sun was shining, so the butterflies were playing. Okay, and danced now on this flower. They were dancing. The butterfly were dancing on the flowers. Now on that, it means they were dancing on the flower and never grew tired, but they won't never tired because they would like to play on the flower in the sunshine time. Okay, one day it started raining and they got wet. One day suddenly the rain was coming and the rain was dropping. The butterflies were wet. The butterflies wet got wet. So they flew over to a rose. Suddenly the butterflies flew to the rose. They flew over to the rose and said, the butterflies was said to the rose, "Good rose, please open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." They were telling to the rose, rose, please open your petals. If you open your petals, we get the shelter from you, from your petals. Otherwise, we can't protect from the rain." So that butterflies was telling to the rose like this. "Then I had be glad to shelter you. If you open your petals, we get shelter from the rose, and we always glad to you. We always thankful to you." Pink butterfly telling like this. Said rose, "For you look like me. You are also look like me because you are look like me, rose. You have a petals, no? That petals look like my wings. So you are look like me. But I want shelter. But I don't have shelter. You have shelter. But don't have shelter. Your two friends. Another your two friends ಕೂಡ shelter ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Then what will happen? Let us see, children. Next page, I will read the lesson. All of you listen here, children. "If you want shelter, my friends, you need not shelter me. You will stay wet rather than desert them," replied the pink butterfly. The pink butterfly is talking with the rose. "If you want shelter, my friends, ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ another one red butterfly and yellow butterflies are there. If you don't give shelter to them, you need not shelter to me. You don't give me no shelter. I will stay wet. ನಾವು ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೆನಿತೀವಿ. Rather than desert them. ನಾವಿನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. We prefer the rain. Okay, we will wet in the rain, replied the pink butterfly. Then flew across a sunflower and said. Then the butterfly went to the sunflower. Okay, went to the flower sunflower and told to like this, "Dear sunflower, open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain. If you open your petals, we will get shelter from you and we will be very thankful. I had be glad to shelter you." Yellow butterfly replied the sunflower, but not other two. Yellow butterfly was telling to the sunflower like this, children, but another two was very silent. Okay, have you understood? Once I read first, second and third stanza, already I explained. Once I read, listen here. "If you want shelter, my friends, you need not shelter me. I will stay wet rather than desert them," replied the pink butterfly. Then they flew across to a sunflower and said, "Dear sunflower, open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain. I had be glad to shelter you," Yellow butterfly replied the sunflower, but not the other two. Okay, next what will happens? I will read that. Listen here, children. "If you want shelter, my friends, you need not shelter me," said the yellow butterfly. "I will stay wet rather than desert them." I and so they flew away together. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್, "ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್", ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ರೈನ್, ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸನ್ಶೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, as our home. Okay, our home is protect us from the rain and sunshine, no. So as well as the flower petals becomes a shelter to the butterfly to protect from the rain. Okay, children, though, so the yellow butterfly was telling like this, "If you want shelter, my friends, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀನು ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ ಟು ಮೀ, ನೀನು ನನಗೂ ಕೊಡಬೇಡ. ಸೆಡ್ ದ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ, "ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ವೆಟ್", ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಮಳೆನಲ್ಲಿ ನರಿತೀನಿ. "ರಾದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್", ನಮಗಿನ್ನೇನೂ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಥದ್ದೇನೂ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ದೇ ಫ್ಲೂ ಅವೇ ಟುಗೆದರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವು ಹಾರಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ವು. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಲಿಸನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ನೌ ದ sun, who was hiding behind a cloud, had heard everything. He was happy to see the butterflies and so united. He quickly chased the clouds and the rain away. Listen here, children. The butterflies was very good friends. The three butterflies, pink butterfly, yellow butterfly and red butterfly, they were very good friends and they have unity. Okay, so they first time they went to the rose and they asked the shelter from the petals, but rose can't give the shelter to all three butterflies. So they came to the sunflower and then they asked the sunflower also. Sunflower also couldn't give the shelter to all three butterflies. So they went to the another side. Then the sun was listening and hearing this conversation. Then now the sun, who was hiding behind a cloud, had heard everything. The sun was listening. The butterflies talking and the butterflies unity. Okay, and then he was happy to see the butterflies so united. The butterflies was very united, no, they were very together, no. So the sun was very happy. He quickly chased the clouds. It means ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೋಗಿಸಿ ದೆನ್ ರೈನ್ ಅವೇ, ರೈನನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿ ಆ ಸನ್ನು ಆಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದ. ಹಿ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರೈಡ್ ದ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈಸ್. ಅವನು ಸನ್ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ವೆಟ್ಟನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಣಗಿಸ್ದ. ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್, butterflies wings. Now they could fly from flower to flower and dance as usual for rest of the day. Again the butterflies were dancing and flying and usual. No, they don't take any rest. They were dancing from one flower to another flower and they were enjoying their life, children. Did you like this lesson, children? Okay, if you imagine, if you become a butterfly, we will also very enjoy our life, children. Okay, all of you keep your nature cleanly, children, and protect the insects like butterfly, children. Okay, children, have you understood the lesson? You have to learn how to read the lesson, children. I will ask you to learn the lesson in the online class. All of you learn carefully, children. Okay, thank you, children. Bye.